What HVAC repairs usually prevent future breakdowns? The most effective repairs are replacing worn electrical parts, fixing refrigerant leaks, clearing drainage problems, repairing airflow issues, and correcting unsafe or inefficient operation. A trained technician should first inspect the system instead of replacing parts based only on symptoms. Replacing a weak capacitor can prevent a motor from struggling, overheating, and failing during a hot day. Fixing loose electrical connections and worn contactors can reduce arcing, which is dangerous sparking that damages equipment. Refrigerant leaks should be repaired rather than simply adding more refrigerant, because low refrigerant makes the compressor work harder and can destroy it. Clearing a clogged condensate drain helps prevent water damage, mold growth, and an unexpected safety shutdown. Replacing a dirty filter and repairing crushed or leaking ducts improves airflow, so the blower and compressor do not run longer than necessary. A useful detail many people miss is that a technician should measure airflow, electrical current, temperature change, and refrigerant pressure after a repair, because a system can appear to work while still operating under harmful stress. Ask for those measurements and keep the service record, since small changes over time can reveal a failing component before it causes a larger breakdown. A common mistake is repeatedly resetting a tripped breaker, so stop using the system and have the electrical problem tested. Another mistake is adding refrigerant without finding the leak, so require leak detection and a proper repair. People also wait until the system stops completely, but unusual noises, weak airflow, short cycling, or water near the indoor unit are early warnings, so schedule service promptly and replace filters regularly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.